Hi friends, today I am with the Lenovo's new Yoga Slim 7 Pro, and in this video we are going to talk about the hardware specification. We will also talk about the pros and cons and the features what you are getting with Yoga Slim 7 Pro. So let's start the video first. Lenovo is a well-known brand in the laptop segment, and what we got is the storm grey color. It comes with the aluminium stamping in the surface treatment. It has the aluminium on the top and also aluminium in the bottom. It looks pretty much premium in design. It looks like an ultrabook. And coming to the keyboard, it has a proper spacing, so you won't find any difficulty while typing. It has a glass touchpad, so it gives you a very premium finish. And talking about the anodized with sandblasting of the aluminium stamping gives an upper edge. It looks pretty much premium. It is little bit heavy also. It weighs around 1.39 kg, but at the same time it looks very pretty much slim. The hinge allows you to bend it up to 180 degree, which looks great while using. So you can bend only up to 180 degree. Don't try to twist it to 270 degree. The Yoga doesn't work like that in this. If you talk about the ports, here you can see the power button. There is one USB 3.2 Gen 1 which is always on. There is also one headphone jack which is a 3.5 mm jack. This is on the right side. If we go to the left side, we can see there are two Thunderbolt ports which are Thunderbolt 4. It can be used for data transfer, also for the power delivery, and it can be used for display port which is 1.4A. It doesn't have any monitor cable inside the box, so don't try to find that. Here I am showing you the hinge lets you to bend up to 180 degree of Yoga Slim 7 Pro. You can charge your Lenovo laptop via these two Thunderbolt 4 port, which is two ports are available. When you are charging, you can see the indicator. When it is orange, it means it is charging. When it is completely charged, it will be in white color. Now coming to the charger, it comes with the 65 watt USB-C charging, and it comes with the 61 kilowatt hour battery built. And talking about the charger plug point, this looks a little bit different. This is not the Indian version. I guess the unit what we got is a review unit, and this is not a retail unit. It comes with the USB-C charging port, and the charging is definitely fast. We will talk about the performance later on, how the battery backup works. If we talk about the OLED screen play, it can play the video 1080p video up to 150 nits for 14 hours. So this is what the company is claiming. Now coming to the typing section, the keys are definitely spaced well. You can do the typing very easily. I didn't find anything difficult while typing. Even you get a proper palm rest. The laptop is quite big enough. It is a 14-inch laptop, so you will definitely give a proper palm rest. Even if you talk about the touchpad, it is a glass touchpad, but it works well for me. And here you can see I did just a typing demo and it was working fine. I still don't know the millimeter of the keystrokes what are present in this keyboard, but overall I don't have any complaint for the keyboard or the touchpad while using for a day-to-day life. Now talking about the display, it comes with the 14-inch display. It is a very gorgeous display. It comes with the 2.8K resolution, which is a 2880 cross 1800 resolution size. It is a IPS panel. It has a brightness level up to 400 nits. It has an anti-glare screen. It gives you a 90 Hz refresh rate. It comes with low blue light and TUV eye safe certification. It also have a Dolby Vision. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a camera privacy cover in it. As we see in the modern laptops, the cover is present, the physical cover. Now talking about the speakers, it comes with the stereo speakers with 2 watt, and there are dual speakers in the bottom. It also has the air vent in the bottom end only. Let's talk about the keyboards. First, you are getting an FN lock or a escape button, then a mute, then a volume down, volume up, then mic mute, then there is a brightness low, brightness increase, then you have a dual screen, there is a flight mode. Then you will also find the settings button. So the setting button is basically to go directly into the settings. Then you can lock your laptop. Then there is a tab switcher which is F11. You can switch the tabs from that. F12 can be used for a calculator, which can be used for a standard calculator or a scientific calculator. Now coming to the insert, which is I will definitely tell that this is one of the important key. This is a smart key which will let you to go and access the Lenovo Vantage, Lenovo Voice, Lenovo Smart Appearance. You can also go to the online service, Vantage Toolbar and Preference. So there are few things what you can go and check using this insert button, which is a smart key. And lastly, there is a print screen which you can use to take the screenshot from that. So for me, the shortcuts what are given for the F function keys are definitely useful, and I will definitely recommend you check them out before using them. It might be useful while using, and it gives you, and it can save you a little time while using the laptop and your work time also. Now talking about the device, I definitely love the 180-degree rotation. Here you can see you can bend that. The hinge is very much flexible up to 180-degree. And if you talk about the few more things, let me tell you that the device looks pretty much premium. It weighs around 1.3 kg. It is not heavy. And talking about the backlit, it has a backlit. There are three modes: backlit off, backlit auto, and there is a normal backlit on. So these are the three modes what you will get with this laptop for the backlit. Now talking about the video resolution, what the quality you can get up to maximum 8K video playback from YouTube, which I have showed. I will not play the proper video because due to the copyright issue. Now talking about the Lenovo Vantage, this is one of the most important app which is inbuilt. It can help you to see any drivers which is not updated. You can check that. You can also check your warranty. You can see your battery status, it is out of date or it needs to be changed. You can do the auto update. Even you can see few more things, including your system information, your smart lock. The system information will give you the proper how much storage has been used, how much memory, how much processor has been used, there is a system update or not. You can do a performance check of the hardware. Just give it some time. I am not doing it properly right now. So there are few things which you can use via Lenovo Vantage. This is a useful app and I definitely recommend you to check it. You can also check all the hardware which is present inside your Lenovo laptop. Now talking about the processor, it comes with the Intel Core i7 12th Gen processor. It has a graphics card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050. The maximum RAM is 16 GB, which is inside it. It comes with the 4800 max with LPDDR5. The storage is 512 GB and which is SSD M.2, and you can expand up to 1 TB. The audio chip is a Realtek audio chip, and the camera what we are getting is the FHD camera, which is a 1080p camera with the IR inbuilt. Now let's talk about the My Smart settings. This is basically about the control of the battery, warranty and the settings. So I will definitely let you to read before it. It comes with a rapid charge. If you want a fast charging, you can on it. If you want a conservation mode, which is a more balanced mode, you can use that also. There's a power and performance. If you want a more extreme performance, you can go with that. I am just using the intelligent cooling right now. With a battery saving mode is also present. There is a power setting mode where you flip to start, and there is a always on USB which you can switch it off. Now there is a Lenovo Vantage toolbar. Here you can see I am just switching it on Lenovo Vantage toolbar. It will give you a shortcut of few of the apps which you definitely get on the Android smartphone, as you have seen earlier. There is a Lenovo Vantage widget. This is also a widget which will be on your home screen, and here you can see it will tell you the battery percentage and few other things. There is an Energy Star. Now if we go to the top, the second tab is the audio tab. If I switch on that audio tab, there you can see there is a Dolby audio which is already present. There is a microphone which you can change the volume of it also. Now there is a display and camera. I have already told you it comes with the eye care protection, and it has a daytime color temperature. It is a 1080p camera. Now coming to the keyboard, it comes with the intelligent keyboard, the special function keyboard or the F1 to F12 keyboard. There is a keyboard backlit which you can change. I have already told you auto, low, high and off. There is a touchpad setting which you can turn on and off. So this is what you are getting. And lastly, there is an advanced setting which is for the intelligent sensing, includes the zero touch login, zero touch log, zero touch video playback, and it also comes with the super resolution which will where it will enhance the video quality. It also have the intelligent gesture which will be on the touchpad. Here you can see on the left side you can change the brightness. If you scroll up and down, if you scroll on the left side, it will increase or decrease your volume. So that is a very easy function. And also there is a display where it comes with the dynamic display inside it. Now coming to the third part, which is a security and online protection, Wi-Fi security, I will definitely recommend you to have a check from your side. If you like to have an extended warranty, you can have it. It comes with a 1 year of warranty and 1 year of accidental warranty, both total 1 year, not 1+1. So you can go and have a look on that. If you need, you can definitely extend your warranty. Now coming to the laptop, it has some pros and cons, and now we are going to discuss about both the pros and the cons of the laptop. So let's start with the pros. I like the keyboard. It has a good aspect ratio which is 16:10. It comes with a solid build quality. It comes with the automatic screen backlight, and it has a glass touchpad. Now talking about the cons, it comes with the modest battery life. It has a very less ports. You don't get any card reader ports, and it doesn't have any touch screen, and the camera privacy cover is absent on the laptop. Now let's talk about the pricing of Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Pro. It priced around 1.12 lakh to 1.61 lakh depending on the configuration of the graphics card, the storage and the processor. The graphics is what we are using is the Nvidia GeForce RTX. The storage is 512 GB and the processor is Core i7 12th Gen. So this is all about Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Pro. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.